Hello and welcome to my channel.
irepairitall.
I just wanted to make a small intro about who I am, what I'm doing and stuff. And well, my name is Misha, I live in Tyrol, repairing electronic devices like PC, laptop, tablets and phones. Well, that's pretty it. Well, what else can I say? I'm doing this for about 15 years now. So I started with building desktop computers and stuff. And before 5 years I started micro soldering, so doing some pretty neat work with camera, microscope and stuff. Well, it's a big passion of mine, and I have a small company for over 2 years now, and it's doing good. It's getting better all the way. Just wanted to make some quality content about repairing stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I will do some, well, as I said, some repair videos with a little bit of analyzing, like how to test some batteries and displays and how to properly make that in a professional way with all the tools you have or you can have or can get. And yeah, just one thing I wanted to make clear: I'm not an engineer and I'm not claiming to be one. I like what I do it with big passion and love, of course. The reason why I started this was actually some repair artists in the web. Probably you know one of them. Just to name few of them is like Louis Rossmann, Jessa from iPad Rehab, Sorin Electronic Repair School, Paul Daniels, of course, very intelligent and a man with knowledge. They all are, obviously. And last but not least, Ben from Apple Doctor, also been a big inspiration. And well, that's it. I hope you're gonna enjoy the channel. I'm trying to give my best to make some quality content, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you soon for the next video, and goodbye.